Are you ready to explore stock trading, but unsure where to begin? Today we're going to simplify the process and set you on the path to potentially profitable trading and investing. Many beginners in the stock market face challenges, and it's a known fact that a significant number initially encounter losses. But don't worry, with the right approach, you can overcome these hurdles. Today, we'll explore essential strategies to help you make informed decisions in stock trading and investing. First things first, understanding the stock market is crucial. It involves learning key terminologies and the functions of different market instruments like equities, options, and futures. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards making informed trading decisions. Once you're familiar with the basics, the next step is to develop a solid trading plan. This plan should include a clear strategy, a disciplined approach to manage risks, and the diligence to review and learn from each trade. Remember, discipline is key to avoiding common pitfalls like overtrading or holding on to losing positions for too long. With a plan in hand, it's time to gain practical experience. You can start with a real brokerage account making small trades, or use a demo account where you trade with virtual money. This practice phase is critical to understand market dynamics without the risk of actual financial loss. It's important to distinguish between investing and trading. Investing is about long-term growth, analyzing company fundamentals through methods like fundamental analysis. Trading, on the other hand, often involves shorter-term strategies based on technical analysis, focusing on stock price movements rather than company fundamentals. As you grow more confident, you might explore advanced instruments like contracts for difference, CFDs, or stock options. These tools offer opportunities for profit, but come with higher risks, so they require a good understanding of market mechanisms and risk management. Choosing the right broker is crucial. Factors to consider include commission rates, the spread, and the types of instruments you can trade. A suitable broker aligns with your financial goals and trading style, and provides the necessary tools and resources for effective trading. To wrap up, making money in the stock market as a beginner involves a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. Start with learning the basics, practice with demo accounts, and gradually move to more complex trading as you gain confidence. Remember, consistency and discipline are your best tools for success in the stock market. Ready to start your trading journey? Don't forget to download your free How to Make Money with Stocks PDF to get detailed insights and strategies. Happy trading, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more insightful content on making smart investment choices.